Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Soul tire. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from the trunk. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the flat tire. This initial loosening makes removal much easier once the car is off the ground. Now, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the exact jack points. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Once lifted, finish unscrewing all the lug nuts by hand and then carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable, durable, and perfect for any adventure, even changing a tire. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. You can find a link to darn tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring they are snug. Do not fully tighten them yet. Now, use the jack to slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.